So hello guys, myself Sufalam Technologies and I am a senior software developer at Sufalam Technologies Private Limited. Today I am here to show you how we can use the NPM library Async-Lock. So what is Async-Lock? So the Async-Lock is the NPM, the Node Package Manager library that helps you to execute the process in both the parallel as well as sequential. As we all know that the NodeJS is a single-threaded process and the code execution never gets interrupted inside the event. But the single-threaded process doesn't wait to finish the previous process. And sometimes we have certain requirements to do the process in sequential manner and also in the parallel manner. So let's take a requirement that the peoples are contributing some kind of amounts as a donation in different welfares. Let's say child welfares and healthcare. And multiple users are contributing the same amounts in different welfares from the software or project development on the online side. So if we consider the following code, here you can see the amount which we will get in Redis side, and then the donation amount will add into the donation amount. So if the concurrent user 1, 2 and 3 are donating the same amount at the same time in the child welfare, so here you can see the getting amount is opening amount is 100 and user 1 is contributing 100, user 2 is contributing as a 500 and user 3 is contributing as a 200. So after all the process of 3 users, the donating amount should be total amount should be 800, but instead of here you can see the amount will be 300 remaining. So this is not an accepted result, right? Okay, so here the Async-Lock will help you to process it properly. So how Async-Lock works? So Async-Lock works in both the manner. As we said, it's parallel as well as in the sequential. If the key and item which is already in progress in the Async-Lock, then the same next item will wait until the first process finish, and then the second process start executing. Here you can see in the diagram, let's say suppose we have set up the category as a key. Let's say child welfare is a category, healthcare is another category. So if 3 or multiple users are donating this amount at the same time in child welfare, then here you can see it will goes and work as a queue manner. And if the same time at the same time three different users are contributing in another categories like healthcare, then it process parallelly. But if the same users contributing in healthcare, then it works as queue manner. So child welfare and healthcare contribution works at concurrently, but if 3 or more than users are contributing in same category, then it will goes by queue. Here you can see the 2 different welfares, 2 different categories: donation, child welfare and healthcare. In Async-Lock, the pass categories as a key for locking. As we said, we will pass the category as a child welfare and healthcare. If multiple users are contributing the amounts in child welfare, it will work as a queue manner. If multiple users are contributing the amount in single healthcare, then the process will work as a queue manner. But multiple users are contributing in multiple different categories, then it will work as a parallel manner. So how can we manage at our code level? So here you can see the basic example of Async-Lock, and here you can see this is the library which we have included as a Async-Lock equals to require Async-Lock, and lock equals to new Async-Lock. Here is the constant variable of locking. Here you can see we have created one method which takes the parameter of category and the donation amount. The category would be the healthcare, child welfare, or other categories mentioned here, and it will receive in the parameter as well. So lock.acquire is category. So if multiple users are contributing the amount in child welfare, then the first process start executing, and remaining two process will wait until the first process will complete. And after the first amount donating, the second user's amount will donating, and then third process donation amount would be occur. So here is the basic example that how it works as a parallel and the sequential manner. Please refer this code as an example, so you can get a better result for the requirement. Let us know about your questions. Thank you. Please visit our page. We will get back to you with your queries, and thank you so much. Thank you.